People who possess a good sense of humor and can make others laugh often enjoy positive perceptions in society. Here are some common ways in which individuals with humor are perceived. Likability. People with a good sense of humor are often seen as likable and approachable. Their ability to make others laugh can create a positive and friendly atmosphere, making them enjoyable to be around. Social skills. Humor is often linked to strong social skills. Those who can navigate social interactions with humor are perceived as socially adept and capable of connecting with others on a deeper level. Stress relief. Individuals who bring humor into situations, especially in stressful or challenging moments, are often appreciated for their ability to lighten the mood. Their presence can contribute to stress relief and a more positive atmosphere. Creativity. Crafting and delivering jokes require a degree of creativity. People who excel in humor are often perceived as creative thinkers who can see the world from different perspectives and come up with clever and imaginative ideas. Confidence. Successfully delivering jokes, especially in social settings, can reflect confidence. The ability to make others laugh without fear of judgment or rejection is often associated with self-assurance. Coping mechanism. Those who use humor as a coping mechanism in challenging situations may be seen as resilient and emotionally intelligent. Their ability to find humor even in difficult circumstances can be admirable. Bonding and inclusion. Humor can be a powerful tool for building connections and fostering a sense of inclusion. People who share jokes and engage in lighthearted banter often create a more cohesive and enjoyable social environment. Intelligence. Quick-wittedness and the ability to understand and generate humor are often associated with intelligence. A well-crafted joke or a clever play on words can showcase mental agility and linguistic skills. Positive influence. Individuals with a good sense of humor can have a positive influence on group dynamics. They contribute to a more positive and uplifting atmosphere, making social interactions more enjoyable for everyone involved. Adaptability. Humor often involves being adaptable and responsive to the dynamics of a situation. Those who can read the room and adjust their humor accordingly are seen as socially aware and adaptable. It's important to note that while humor can be a positive trait, it should be used with consideration for the context and the feelings of others. Inappropriate or offensive humor can have the opposite effect, leading to negative perceptions. Additionally, humor is subjective, and what one person finds funny, another may not. Overall, a well-balanced and considerate sense of humor is often seen as a valuable and endearing quality in individuals.